Welcome to What's Hot and What's Not with this Angry Mom microwave cleaner. We're going to start out with what's hot. Watch till the end to find out what's not. First, what's hot? All you do is fill it up with vinegar and water and put it in the microwave for 7 minutes and let it loosen all the stuck-on food in the microwave. Number 2, what's hot? This loosens all the hard and gross stuff in the microwave. You still have to use a little bit of elbow grease, but it does help make cleaning the microwave so much easier. Number 3, what's hot? It looks awesome. It's definitely a conversation starter and makes cleaning your microwave a little more entertaining. Even kids could do it. It could also make a fun gag gift or stocking stuffer. What's hot? After you're finished, you just rinse it out and toss it in the dishwasher. No disposable parts, and it's ready for the next use. What's hot? It doesn't take up much room and is always ready whenever your microwave looks messy. Now for what's not hot. It softens dried on food really well, but you still need to wipe the microwave clean afterward. It isn't a completely hands-free cleaner, but it makes the hard part so much easier. All in all, this is a fun little kitchen gadget. I love it, and I know you will too. Go grab yours today.